Alright, gonna have to make this one a quick one because it is not looking good out there. What's up, my hikers? This is Brian coming at you from the trails once again. Welcome to Nerd Hikes. So, due to the inclement weather, I'm just gonna insert some clips of me going to Adventureland last week. Adventureland is a local amusement park near me. It is a national treasure of the local scene. I went with my dad, stepmom, and little siblings. It was a blast. Enjoy. King Kong. On half. Disney has the people mover. They have the people dryer. Frisbee time. Ready? Well, that was fun. I'm dizzy. Moving on.
Wow, that is short. Those girls are smart.
I tried, didn't work. Little wet. Little wet. heading home now. I'll see you guys later. Well, yeah, that was a fun day at the park. I haven't been to Adventureland in like way too long. They changed so much stuff around. The main roller coaster there used to be called the Hurricane, and now it's Turbulence. It's completely different. I really enjoyed the Frisbee. That's a really sick ride. I was trying to film on as many rides as possible, but the constraints of me losing my phone were not worth it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed going on the rides. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. If you have any stories about local amusement parks near you, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And now it's time for Trek Tracks! This week's track is Up All Night by one of my favorite artists, Beck. This new single is like nothing he's ever done before. It's poppy, catchy. Go listen to it. If you guys want to listen to more great tracks, just search up the Spotify playlist Nerd Hikes, or you can follow the link in the description down below. And last, I just want to thank you for bearing with me once again. Due to the weather, I was not able to film a whole Nerd Hikes this week. If you guys want to follow me, all of my social platforms will once again be in the description down below. Thank you so very much for watching. I love you all. Have hearts. You guys have a great weekend. Peace.